To make this delicious baked apple with tofu cream, take half of a pack of firm tofu and put it into your blender cup. Add 5 dates. Add cashews that we previously soaked for 1 hour. Pulse the blender a few times. If it's too thick, add plant-based milk. Pulse the blender a few times. Cut the top of the apples and clean them inside. Fill them with our tofu cream. Put them in the baking sheet. If you would like, you can add some vegan butter on top. Sprinkle with brown sugar. Put it into the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. It smells delicious and looks delicious. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this video and want to see many more delicious recipes, go ahead and like, comment and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.